For this project, we're going to need scissors, an X-Acto knife, glue, a paintbrush, tape, some cardstock or flimsy cardboard, and a new sensor. The spine of the book needs to be completely removed, which can be done carefully with an X-Acto knife. Be sure not to cut the covers of the book off in the process. You should have a view of the bare pages and the covers should be connected. If the covers are not intact, then it needs to be fixed before we replace the spine. If it is all in working order, we can continue with the next step. Peel the old sensor off the spine of the book. We'll replace it with a new one later. Cut the old spine of the book to look neater. Some books will have the spine completely missing or be illegible, so this step won't be necessary, but since we do have a spine that reads well and still has the barcode, we're going to trim it up so it looks neat. Next, you're going to take a large piece of cardboard or thin cardstock and measure it to the new spine. Line the cardboard up with the front cover of the book to measure how tall the spine needs to be. It should be the same length as the cover is tall. Make a mark to indicate where you need to cut it. Next, take the same piece of cardboard and measure how wide the spine needs to be. It should measure to be about the same width as the text block. Once you've cut the new spine to the new measurements, make sure it fits the book properly. It should be tall enough to slightly go over the edge of the text block and just wide enough to cover the bound pages. Next, choose a tape wide enough to cover the spine of the book and about an inch onto each cover. Preferably a color that matches the books you're fixing. When in doubt, pick black. Next, you're going to unroll the book tape to be about an inch or two longer than the height of the book, and cut it so that it has an extra inch on either end. You're going to place the cardboard piece that we cut directly into the middle of the tape. Next, you're going to take the X-Acto knife and cut the tape directly out from the corners of the cardboard. Then, from the corners, you're going to cut diagonally towards the longer edge of the tape to make a rectangle in the middle of the tape and triangles on either side. Rotate the tape and cardboard around and do this on the other side. Once you've made all the cuts, flip the rectangle piece in and smooth it down over the cardboard. Also do this on both sides. Pull the new sensor out and remove the white paper. Stick this onto the cardboard on the tape. Then we're going to take the tape and cardboard and put it on the book. Center the tape and gently press down on one side, making sure it's straight on the book and lying flat with no air bubbles. Lay the book down and smooth the tape over to the other side, again watching for air bubbles and straight edges. In the process of placing the tape, you can make a bit of a crease along the cardboard with the tape. It's going to naturally occur as the book is used, but it's easy to give it a little bit of wiggle room so that it can open and close easily. This is what it should look like once you've put the tape down. Next, you're going to open the cover of the book and take the little tape corners and flip them in and smooth them down. This is what holds the tape down and makes the cover look neat. Once everything is taped down and smoothed out, give the spine a look over and make sure it looks right. If you don't see any issues, now you can glue what is left of the old book spine on top of the new one. Once it's stuck on moderately well, you can let go and place some rubber bands around the book to hold the spine on until the glue dries. Once everything is dry and the rubber bands have come off, the book is ready to be put back into circulation.